guys, today I'll be showing you one of the most popular recipes of Choco Bar ice cream, and to be honest, there's no rocket science to prepare this, and that's why I've made this very simple trick of using disposable cups, which is a no-fail recipe. So let's begin. So first up, in a bowl here I've taken 150 grams of milk chocolate. We need to melt this chocolate using this double boiler method. If you want, you can use microwave also. And today I'm using this milk chocolate because of that color of the Choco Bar, but if you want, you can also use dark chocolate instead. Let it melt until it comes to a smooth and glossy consistency. You can see this nice flowing consistency. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Next, here I'm using these disposable cups. These are very easily available in the market, normally the tea cups. I'm going to give a small slit on this side, and this will help us in demolding the cups easily. So do this for all of them, and then I'm adding about a tablespoon or two melted chocolate and swirl it on all the sides to get a coating. So you can see how I'm doing. Just make a nice coating of this milk chocolate. Just make sure the coating is quite thick, so I'm using double coating also. Once all the cups are double coated with the chocolate, refrigerate it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until we prepare our chocolate filling. Next up, in a bowl here I've taken 1 cup of whipping cream. This is the sweet cream which is very easily available in the market, but if you don't get this, you can also use Amul cream or even Malai instead. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk powder to give that rich and creamy consistency, and for the chocolate flavor I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whisk it. So you can see the mixture has thickened now. To this I'm going to add about 1 to 1.5 cups of milk. So this is pre-boiled and chilled milk. Keep adding the milk and mixing it all the while so that no lumps are seen. So this thick chocolate filling is ready. Remove the cups from the fridge. These are nicely set. I'm going to fill up the molds with this chocolate mixture. So just fill all of them. And then I'm going to cover it with a foil. You can also use a cling wrap instead so that no ice crystals are formed on top. And just give a small slit here. And just insert 1 ice cream stick or a spoon or whichever stick you have available. And then I'm going to freeze these for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. So these are nicely set. Let's remove the foil and check. Wow, it's perfectly done. So guys, if you really enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and share and comment down below. So time to demold these. So slowly you can demold these, tearing this paper. You can see how easily it has come out. It has that perfect smoothness and rich texture. And this method is also super easy. Likewise, demold all of them. Wow, you can see this perfect looking chocolatey crunchy Choco Bar ice cream, and it just took 15 to 20 minutes to prepare this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this super simple summer recipe. If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon in my next coming video. Till then, take care and bye bye.